In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Namecheap domain to Vercel. This walkthrough will take you from finding your project to attaching your domain with clear context so you know exactly what each choice means. First, open your Vercel dashboard and head to the overview page. This is where all your projects live. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar to quickly find the one you want. Once you see it, click to open the project. We'll make all the domain changes inside this project settings. Inside the project, go to the domain section. Here's where you manage the addresses people use to reach your site. Click Add Domain to start the connection flow. In the field that appears, type the domain you own at Namecheap, like yourdomain.com, or a subdomain, such as app.yourdomain.com. Keep it simple and avoid spaces or protocols, so no HTTP or HTTPS. You'll be prompted to connect the domain to an environment. For most production sites, choose production so your main domain shows your live build. If you're adding a subdomain for testing, you can map it to preview to see preview deployments at a stable URL. Think of production as your final, public version and preview as a safe place to review changes with teammates. You'll also see an option to redirect to another domain. Use this when you want one address to forward to your primary domain, for example, sending visitors from yourdomain.com to www.yourdomain.com, or from an old domain to a new brand domain. Redirects help consolidate traffic and SEO signals. When your choices look right, click Save. Vercel will now check ownership and display any DNS instructions needed. Because your domain is registered at Namecheap, you'll typically add or update DNS records there to point the domain to Vercel. The exact records Vercel shows may include a sname for subdomains or alias records for the root domain. Follow the on-screen guidance precisely in Namecheap's DNS panel. After saving changes, DNS propagation can take some time, often a few minutes, but it may be longer depending on TTLs. You can keep this Vercel page open. It will recheck and confirm once everything is set. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you add the root domain, consider also adding the WT version and set one to redirect to the other for a consistent experience. If your project has multiple frameworks or roots, the default settings usually work out of the box. And remember, you can always return to the Domains tab to add more domains, adjust environments, or edit redirect behavior later. That's it. You've connected your Namecheap domain to Vercel and set it up the right way.